1. Academic excellence. Scholarships often prioritize academic achievements, so maintaining excellent grades is crucial. Aim for a high GPA and take advanced courses whenever possible. Also, don't forget to study for standardized tests like SAT or ACT, as many scholarships consider these scores. 2. Involvement in extracurricular activities. Being well-rounded is always beneficial. Scholarship committees value applicants who show leadership, community involvement, and a commitment to various interests. Participate in clubs, sports, volunteer work, or any other activities that showcase your dedication and passion. 3. Compelling essays. Many scholarships require applicants to write an essay or personal statement. It's your chance to stand out and let your personality shine. Be authentic, share your experiences, and explain how the scholarship would help you achieve your goals. Make sure to edit and proofread multiple times. 4. Strong letters of recommendation. Securing strong letters of recommendation is crucial. Choose teachers, counselors, or community leaders who know you well and can speak about your strengths, achievements, and potential. Building good relationships with them throughout high school will be beneficial. 5. Research and apply early. Don't wait until the last minute to search for scholarships. Many have deadlines months in advance. Use scholarship search engines, visit your school's guidance office, and explore local opportunities. Apply for as many scholarships as you qualify for, but remember to tailor each application to meet their specific requirements.